What is the difference between ResultSet and RowSet in JDBC? Both are interfaces only, but ResultSet is from java.sql package, whereas RowSet in javax.sql package. So ResultSet types are forward only, scroll insensitive, scroll sensitive, whereas in RowSet, JDBC RowSet, cached RowSet, web RowSet, giant RowSet. These are the different types of RowSets. So connection mode. ResultSet will make a connection to the database. It will keep maintaining the connection while accessing the data from database. Whereas in RowSet, once it make the connection to the database, it will get the data and put it in memory. So there is no connection it will maintain once the data is get from the database. So and last difference is, so it won't participate in serialization. Why? Because connection is keep in active mode, right, at the time of accessing data. Whereas in RowSet, once the data is accessed, it will put in RAM, right? So in that case, it will participate the serialization. Subscribe Programming KT to get more tips.